Future of e-commerce. If you're anxious to start your online business, you should also know about the future of e-commerce. Do you want to learn everything there is to know about future of e-commerce and how to grow your business successfully in future? In this impressive video, we will guide you in every step how you can become a good businessman in the future. Also regarding the ways to achieve further knowledge about all and set your mind easily to getting more opportunities in coming years. So let's jump straight into the video. Future of e-commerce. As technology advances and businesses compete for a larger share of market, e-commerce is an environment that is constantly evolving. Assuming you have been staying aware of web-based business examination, you realize that the patterns show that development and change happen consistently. It is safe to say that the e-commerce industry has a bright and promising future. Regardless of the type of business you are about to launch, there are two ways this guide can assist you. Number one, you'll find out what e-commerce will look like in the future. And number two, you will gain knowledge of the likely trends so that you can implement them before they become too commonplace. E-commerce will flourish, and various social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook will become even more crucial in the e-commerce world. Although the future of e-commerce cannot be fully predicted, therefore, the most anticipated alterations to e-commerce future are listed below. Predictions for e-commerce personalizations. Given that humans yearn for physical interaction, it should come as no surprise that e-commerce is regarded as being slightly less intimate and less concerned with personal experience than retail shopping. E-commerce stores lack a person who can assist us in our browsing and provide product recommendations in person. Because of this, some e-commerce businesses will attempt to replicate this experience by designing websites that are more personal and visually appealing. By keeping track of customers' preferences and tailoring their e-commerce experience based on the things they like and are interested in, e-commerce shops can become more personal for customers. You are already familiar with a similar feature. Most online stores have a section called Recommended Products that offers recommendations to customers based on their search history. E-commerce and shopping via social media in today's world. Social media platforms play a significant role. Because of this, many brands focus on their marketing efforts on social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Sponsored Instagram posts are on the rise annually. So how do these numbers affect e-commerce? An advantage for owners of e-commerce business is the knowledge that millions of people use these apps annually. There is no better time than right now to invest in social media marketing and selling because social media users are constantly making purchases. What do the numbers tell us about the future of e-commerce? These statistics should assist you in deciding if you're unsure whether or not it is worthwhile to invest in e-commerce. It is anticipated that e-commerce purchases will rise from 14.1% to 22% by 2023. These estimates demonstrate that e-commerce as a business has not yet reached its full potential, and it's overly optimistic. Sales from mobile e-commerce are also expected to rise, reaching nearly 2.9 trillion in 2020. Furthermore, what about a long time from now? By 2040, almost 95% of all purchases will be made online. According to statistics, which should give business owners some food for thought, we have created a comprehensive guide on how to start your first online business to ensure that your e-commerce goals are realized. Check it out. Will the growth of e-commerce continue? These articles' statistics demonstrate that e-commerce is likely to continue expanding and flourishing at a breakneck pace. Portable buying will turn into the new ordinary, and the main online business states like China, Japan, and Germany will keep on seeing a dramatic expansion in deals. And in the years to come, additional sales will be generated by combining an e-commerce business with innovative strategies like the establishment of physical stores. That was all content about the future of e-commerce. These steps will guide you more if you're ready to avail of this sort of business plan, so you can keep in touch with us through our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the most recent updates on my channel.